Are you looking for a fishing rod that delivers solid performance without spending a fortune? In this video, we've rounded up some of the best budget fishing rods on Amazon for every type of angler and budget. Stay until the end because the top picks might surprise you. And remember, you'll find all the updated links and prices in the description below. Kicking off this list at number 8 is the plusinno telescopic fishing rod and reel combo, a kit designed for anglers who want an affordable all-in-one setup without the hassle of buying everything separately. This combo is especially appealing for beginners, casual anglers, or anyone who enjoys fishing while traveling. The telescopic rod collapses down to a compact size, making it easy to store in your car, backpack, or even luggage, so you're always ready for an impromptu fishing trip. What really adds value here is that it includes not only the reel, but also a selection of lures, hooks, fishing line, accessories, and a carrying case. That means you can head straight to the water right out of the box, while experienced anglers may eventually upgrade certain components. For newcomers or occasional weekend fishing sessions, this package delivers impressive convenience and versatility. That's why it comfortably earns the number 8 spot on our list. Coming in at number 7, we have the ghosthorn fishing rod and reel combo, a practical choice for anglers who want portability without giving up versatility. One of the biggest advantages of this setup is that it comes with 2 complete rods and reels, making it perfect for fishing with a friend, keeping a backup ready, or switching between different techniques on the water. The telescopic design folds down into a compact carrying case, so it's easy to take on camping trips, vacations, or spontaneous weekend outings. It also includes a selection of lures, fishing line, and tackle, which means beginners can start fishing almost immediately without additional purchases. The rods feel surprisingly solid for the price and are suitable for freshwater species like bass, trout, and panfish. While serious anglers may eventually want higher-end gear, this combo offers excellent value and convenience for casual use, which is exactly why it lands at number 7 in this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Sliding into the number 6 spot is this ultralight fishing rod, and it's a fantastic option for anglers who enjoy finesse fishing and want to get the most out of every catch. Unlike bulkier rods designed for larger species, this model is built to maximize sensitivity, allowing you to detect even the lightest bites. That makes a huge difference when targeting trout, crappie, panfish, or other smaller freshwater species where subtle strikes are easy to miss. The lightweight construction also means you can fish for hours without feeling fatigued, which is great for long mornings by the lake or river. Another big advantage is casting accuracy. Whether you're tossing small jigs and soft plastics or lightweight lures into tight spots, this rod gives you impressive control. It's not intended for heavy fish or demanding saltwater use, but for anglers who prioritize precision, responsiveness, and pure fishing enjoyment on a budget. This rod delivers outstanding value, earning it a well-deserved place at number 6. Halfway through the ranking at number 5, we have the ghosthorn green phantom combo, a setup that stands out not only because of its eye-catching design, but also because of how much gear you get for the money. This kit is ideal for anglers who want a complete package that can travel anywhere, whether that's a local pond, a weekend camping trip, or a family vacation near the water. The telescopic rod folds down quickly and fits neatly inside the included carrying case, making transport incredibly simple. Beyond portability, you also get a spinning reel, fishing line, lures, tools, and accessories, eliminating the need to shop for extra essentials separately. The rod offers a comfortable grip and enough versatility to target a wide range of freshwater species. It's not necessarily built for trophy-sized fish, but for everyday fishing adventures and hassle-free convenience, this combo checks a lot of boxes. That's what makes it a strong contender for the number 5 position. Taking the number 4 spot is the Fiblink saltwater spinning rod, a model aimed at anglers who need a little more power and durability without pushing the budget too far. If you spend most of your time fishing from piers, beaches, jetties, or even offshore, this rod is definitely worth a look. Built with a carbon fiber blank, it offers a great balance between strength and sensitivity, so you can still feel what's happening below the surface, while having enough backbone to fight larger fish with confidence. The 2-piece design also makes transportation easier compared to traditional 1-piece rods, which is a big plus for traveling anglers. Another standout feature is the comfortable non-slip handle that helps reduce fatigue during long sessions on the water. While it may feel a bit oversized for small freshwater species, anglers targeting redfish, striped bass, snapper, or similar fish will appreciate its extra power. For saltwater performance at an accessible price, this rod easily earns its place at number 4. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Breaking into the top 3 is the St. Croix Trout Series Spinning Rod, a rod built for anglers who care about precision, sensitivity, and an overall refined fishing experience. This isn't the kind of rod you buy just to get started. It's for those who spend serious time on the water and want to feel every subtle movement beneath the surface. Whether you're targeting trout in streams, finesse bass in clear lakes, or panfish with lightweight presentations, this rod shines when finesse matters most. Its lightweight construction makes all-day fishing far more enjoyable, while the highly responsive blank helps detect even the slightest nibble, increasing your chances of setting the hook at exactly the right moment. The premium build quality is evident from the first cast, delivering smooth, accurate presentations with small lures. It does come at a higher price than many budget options on this list, but the performance easily justifies the investment. For anglers who prioritize sensitivity and craftsmanship, this rod absolutely deserves the number 3 position. Earning the runner-up position at number 2 is the Kastking Centrone Spinning Combo, and for many anglers, this is where affordability and performance truly come together. If you're looking for a dependable rod and reel setup that can handle everything from weekend trips to regular fishing sessions, this combo makes a very compelling case. The rod feels lightweight in hand, yet it still provides enough strength and responsiveness to target species like bass, trout, walleye, and even larger freshwater fish. One of the biggest advantages here is balance. The reel operates smoothly, casts consistently, and pairs nicely with the rod to create a setup that feels much more premium than its price suggests. It's also an excellent option for beginners who want gear they won't outgrow after a few outings, while more experienced anglers will appreciate its reliability for everyday use, although it isn't specifically designed for heavy saltwater applications. As an all-around freshwater combo with outstanding value, the Kastking Centrone easily secures the number 2 spot on this list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Plusinno Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, a product that perfectly balances affordability, portability, and overall versatility. This is the kind of setup that works for almost anyone, whether you're completely new to fishing, getting back into the hobby, or simply looking for a reliable rod that you can take anywhere. Its telescopic design is one of the biggest advantages, collapsing into a compact size that's easy to store in a car trunk, backpack, or travel bag. That convenience means you're always ready for a spontaneous fishing trip, whether it's at a local lake, river, or even along the coast. Despite its budget-friendly price, the rod offers solid performance, comfortable handling, and enough strength for a wide variety of freshwater and light saltwater species. The included spinning reel adds even more value, giving anglers a complete setup right out of the box. When you combine convenience, versatility, and price, it's easy to see why the Plusinno combo stands out as our top overall pick for 2026.